How to cancel scheduled transaction in BPI app. In order to cancel a scheduled transaction in BPI app, you need to follow these steps. First of all, you want to log into your BPI online account through a BPI app, after which you just need to tap the gear icon in the upper right corner of the home screen. After which, scroll down to the transaction section and select Manage Scheduled Transaction. Next, you want to tap the account that the scheduled transaction is from. Locate the specific transaction you wish to cancel from the list that appears. Then you have to proceed on with 3 dot on the right side of the transaction and select Delete button. Once you've done it so, confirm the action is promoted. But you also need to consider these points, that is, you can only cancel scheduled transaction up to a cutoff time of 10 p.m. And the banking day before the transaction schedule is occurred. And a confirmation email will be sent you after the scheduled transaction has been successfully cancelled. Once you have submitted the one-time OTP, the transaction has been confirmed and it cannot be reversed or cancelled. So that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.